Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a Logo Design. This is a very simple and very colorful a 3D strip logo design. Then I'm gonna talk our start. So let's begin today. So first of all, what do I need to do? I need to just a little bit smaller here and to keep the camera side. And first of all, what we need to do, I just go to the dashboard. Here's some of the tools, but I need to just one tool. Go to the over here and pressing over here and see just I needed the ellipse tool. Okay, so I will now drag here like that. And it's better. So color it doesn't matter, but I will change immediately the color when I need it. So what we need to do, I needed just to go to the edit, copy, again go to the edit and paste in front. So what we need to do, just by pressing shift key and alt key together, just go to the episode like that, you see, always combination. So I think it's better. So I needed to change the color to so more better, clear the object just like that. Okay, so what we need to do, I needed just to keep this shape. So go to the upper here and rectangle tool. So I just it's indicating, you see, exactly you should think like that, it will better. So I think it's okay. So I need to go to the upper here and I need to copy by pressing Alt key and put to the upper side to the middle side. Okay, so a little bit here, a little bit angle like that. Okay, I think it's okay. So what I need to do, I need to go to the upper here again, and I think just go to build tool and cut this thing and that one, and go to the upper here, cut all the things, just cut it this one, and I think that it's like that. Yes, it's okay. But I need it again to the cut this thing by pressing Alt key. Okay, it's cut, done, almost done. So what we need to do, just change the color like that. It's okay, but I need to go to the like that over here, and exactly I needed to like that. I think it or better like that. Let's put it over here. I think it's good. Okay. So again, I go over here, and I think it's not good, but I I should delete this thing because I need to keep over here like that. Okay. So I need to put exactly over here like technically put it over here. It's about better. So I keeping over here. This I need to, okay. It's okay. Go to the rebuild tool and cut this thing and cut this thing also. And it's okay, I think I need to delete all the things and go to the now just change the color, go over here and put this like that. Okay, so go again over here and go to the eyedropper tool. Here you see here guys how magic and how fantastic with this design edited design. So I need it now. Just delete one thing and keep this one. This is the fantastic Illustrator Logo Design. So I'm on a talk. So it's very easy and a fantastic normal way. So thank you for watching.